Rajeshwari. This is my 10th standard school. My school name is ZP Private School, Limgaon. Come on, little friend. It's time to go back home. Come here and let me count. Should be 9 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Where is the right side? Let me see again. Isha, Nisha, Bubbly, Bubbly, Ricky, Vicky, Gotu, Chotu. Then who is missing? Oh, I am so worried. Auntie, please help us. Please count and tell us how many we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. 9. You are 9 in all. Oh, so thank you so much. So the naughty child has come back. Good, let me see again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What 8 again? Someone is missing. Uncle, please help us. Please count and tell us how many we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I see 9 children in all. That's all right there. Come on, Isha, Nisha, Bubbly, Bubbly, Gotu, Chotu, Ricky, Vicky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What? This is too much. The 9th child is missing again. What a naughty child. I am oldest, everyone will scold. Coming back home, let's go together. Didi, there's a problem. One of is missing. First we are 9. Now we are only 8. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 9. But you are 9 child. No one is missing. So that naughty child has come back again. When I count this, naughty child runs away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, I see. And I also see one more child. Oh no, who is silly of me?